I've authorized the deployment of 17,000 National Guard troops to aid in the response. I did not do this because I disagreed with the enhanced interrogation techniques that those memos authorized. And I didn't release the documents because I rejected their legal rationales, although I do on both counts. Right now, we're still within the window where we don't yet know the outcome of the highly complex top-kill procedure that the federal government authorized BP to use to try to stop the leak. All told, we've authorized the deployment of 17,500 National Guardsmen to respond to this crisis. In addition, we have taken the lead on a host of humanitarian efforts, and I just authorized an additional $15 million that will be provided to aid organizations that are already on the ground. Today, I authorized the Armed Forces of the United States to begin a limited military action in Libya in support of an international effort to protect Libyan civilians. As part of that international coalition, I authorized the United States military to work with our international partners to fulfill that mandate. And finally, last week, I determined that we had enough intelligence to take action and authorized an operation to get Osama bin Laden and bring him to justice. The Security Council authorized all necessary measures to prevent a massacre. We permanently authorized the Indian Health Care Improvement Act and made quality health care accessible to more Native Americans. And that is for Congress to authorize me to pay for those items of spending that they have already authorized. I want to repeat, raising the debt ceiling is simply authorizing the Treasury to pay for what Congress has already authorized. It simply says you pay for what Congress has already authorized America to purchase. It simply says you pay for what Congress has already authorized America to purchase. First, as authorized by the executive order I signed 2 weeks ago, we are imposing sanctions on specific individuals responsible for undermining the sovereignty, territorial integrity, and government of Ukraine. And the United States is blessed with some additional energy sources that have been developed in part because of new technologies. And we've already licensed, authorized the export of as much natural gas each day as Europe uses each day.
The President of the United States of America, authorized by Act of Congress, March 3, 1863, has awarded, in the name of Congress, the Medal of Honor to Specialist Kyle J. White, United States Army.
Today I authorized 2 operations in Iraq: targeted airstrikes to protect our American personnel, and a humanitarian effort to help save thousands of Iraqi civilians who are trapped on a mountain without food and water and facing almost certain death.